Choosing a central heating system is a big decision. At Boilers2Go, we've picked the top 5 boiler brands in the UK to help you choose the best for your home. Let's dive in. First is Worcester Bosch Green Star. With 94% efficiency and a 12-year warranty, it's a best buy. Second is Viessmann. Their Vitadens range is elite, offering 98% efficiency for maximum energy savings. Third is Vaillant. The Ecotech range is a classic, known for its 94% efficiency and solid 10-year warranty. Ideal Heating takes fourth. Their Logic and Vogue models maintain high efficiency and a brilliant 4.8 Trustpilot rating. Alpha is our top budget choice, offering a massive 13-year warranty and 93% efficiency, reliable and affordable. Our expert engineers at Boilers2Go ensure a perfect installation. Whatever your priority, we'll find the right fit for your home. Visit our website and follow us for more tips. Stay warm with Boilers2Go. Thanks for watching and see you next time.